10 lines on Teachers' Day. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September. This day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of the first Vice President and second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji. Education Day has been celebrated in India since 1962. On this day, children go to schools as teachers. They thank their teachers for their education. Children also give gifts to their teachers on this day. This day is very important in the lives of children. On this day, children teach students younger than themselves like teachers in school. This day shows the relationship between the teacher and the students. Children of this day with their teachers. On the day of Teachers' Day, all the students express their thanks and affections to their teachers.